Hi friends, let's talk about some healthy diet. The first thing I can say about healthy diet is salad. It is full of nutrition and good fiber which helps to remove the toxins from our body. Eating salad every day will give your body an all-round benefits like your skin will glow, your hair will shine, your metabolism will increase, you will burn your fat and you will reduce constipation. A bowl of salad as a lunch is a very good option as it will improve your overall health and will keep you full so that you eat less junk food. Here I made a delicious crunchy salad which is full of minerals and vitamins. Try it out and stay healthy. Ingredients: I have taken chopped cabbage, boiled mushrooms, bell peppers, broccoli, cucumber and carrot. For dressing the salad, you need olive oil, lime juice, rock salt, black pepper and cheese. How to use? First, blanch the chopped cabbage and broccoli in a salt water. Then take a bowl and add the raw bell peppers, cucumbers, carrots. Then add the boiled mushrooms into it and lastly add the cabbage and broccoli. For dressing, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and rock salt for seasoning. Add good amount of black pepper and top it with grated cheese. Mix it well and serve it with bread or rice. You can eat it as a whole meal too. Happy eating and stay fit and healthy always. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Till then,